Hello and welcome, my friends. Welcome to another unboxing. As you can see, we know what it is. I won't lie. Nine times out of 10, I don't know what it is. I can't remember what's coming. I don't put a lot of tracking into it. I like to be excited. I don't like to follow things closely because I do love to not know what's happening and have that surprise in my unboxings. So this is, of course, this is the Creatures of the Night Oracle. It is the companion to the 78 Tarot Halloween. After a couple of emails and some wait time for delivery, it is here. So let's get into this. Similar to its friend, I like the bubble wrap because I don't like my boxes being beat up. And we get another package goodies. Alright, let's unbubble wrap. And I have to admit, Katie, the lady who created this, she was amazing. It was just, I let her know that it was happening, and then she checked into it and she's like, I'm so sorry, we'll fix this, it's coming. So it wasn't, I didn't have to fight with it. It was a good experience. I would definitely support her in another deck. Bubble wrapped and plastic wrapped. Lots of plastic. Very much protection of your deck, which I appreciate. Environmentally, probably not the best, but well, whatever. Can't get into the plastic. Can't get in. Okay. Okay, here we go. Plastic off. And that's what it looks like from the top. These sleeves are quite cool. I probably won't keep them on the decks because they're exactly the same. If they were a different color, because they look to be the same size, I won't be able to tell from side view which deck they are. The boxes are different colors. The 78 Tarot was orange. This one's a teal. So at least that is one way. Let's get into the little pumpkin thank you package. And I know these are all the Kickstarter extras. Okay. Same extras. We have, I think I now have two of these, and it could have just been the luck of the draw. That has a weird glare. Kind of the Capricorn lady. Then we have the pumpkin ghosty. It's a bookmark. This one is a magnet. It has the magnetic background. This really reminds me of kind of the Sully from Monsters Inc., the big round eye guy. This one is signed. Again, this one is signed. And these are just cards. They're not like postcards. They're just really cute cards. The frog in the tuxedo. She's so gorgeous. I love that card. The Empress. The Froggy Band. I won't lie, some mornings I feel like that. The skeleton trying to calm. Then we have this, the mech. This is the High Priestess, I believe. It's or the Moon. It's a really cool card. I love the owl. So the same little thank you package. And I'm sure most people would have got one. So I get two. It's all good. All good. Okay. Let's get into this deck. Now I did, when I bought it, it automatically came with a printout. I don't usually get the books, but Creatures of the Night. I do love these boxes. These flip boxes are amazing. I'm not going to open up the book just yet because I want to see the cards in itself. I was going to open it up. Here it says, everyone is a moon and has a dark side which he never shows to anybody. Mark Twain. Okay. All right. Again, it feels similar size to the 78 Tarot, which is a bit larger than the average deck. It does have the black finish. This is a matte finish. I think the other one's shiny, like how this is shiny, but this one's a matte. All right, let's get zoomed in. Make sure that we don't have any weird lights. Alien. I love how he's just like, top hat, cane. Automation. So there's the automaton that came in that little pack. Look at the bat. And again, this is, I can't remember how many cards we have here, but again, the artist is clearly shown. And I kind of have that feel of the Triforce Perfecta, the Three of Pentacles, with that, this piece here. It has that same feel. Bewitched Cauldron. The gold is a little bit hard to read with my lights, but that's totally a me thing. That's a very cool cauldron. Oh my god. Black cat. So cute. Blob. Carnivorous plant. Charmed tea. So very much that this just is like a Beauty and the Beast homage. This reminds me of Chip with the blue eyes. Oh my god, clown. Yeah, clowns are the one thing you should be terrified of. Cursed Carousel. Deathhead Moth. That is a very cool card. Demon. Eldritch Horror. Kind of has a Kraken feel to it. Enchanted Grimoire. So the writing is gold, so depending on how you hit it, it can be hard on the eyes to read. At least I'm having a hard time reading them. I'll put my glasses on. I know I'm getting older, but you know, don't know if that will help. Enchanted Lamp. I won't lie, sometimes the pictures really help. Then we have Eyeball. That's all that this one's called. The Sully lookalike. Or no, it's Mike. It's Mike Lewowski. I'm sorry. I said Sully earlier, but it's Mike Lewowski. Fae. The Capricorn here is a Fae. Gargoyle. I love the colors of that. And it's not the typical gargoyle you think, right? The ghosty. I just love how he's like, I am the happiest ghosty ever. Ghoul. Goblin. As you can tell, they're all in alphabetical order right now. Hag. Haunted clock. Haunted house. Imp. I was going to see how many haunteds we were going to have. Only 2, apparently. Invisible one. That is cool. Mad scientist. Oh, I have 2 cards there. That's funny. I like that. Monstrous hand. Moon spirit. That is amazing. I love the silhouette. That is so cool. Then we have a mummy. The nightmare. That is a very cool picture. Ominous tree. Yep, definitely is. Onryo. I probably spelled that, said that wrong. Onryo. It's very cool. Owl. I love the little collar thing here. And the key. Wow. Look at some of the subtle imagery on this one. This is done by Anita Inversity. Very, very cool card. I love hidden symbols like that. Puppet. The more you can hide in your card, the better. Rat? Rat, a unicorn rat. Oh no, I think it's just a party hat, but it kind of looks like a unicorn horn. Raven. Look at that sky. It just pops against the raven. Shadow. There's the skeleton. Just a skeleton, but the skeleton doing snake. I could see that from the card. Didn't even have to read it. Some of them, the shiny gold doesn't matter. Sorcerer. Very much a New Orleans feel to that. Spectral Knight. This is such a unique deck. Spider. I'm kind of glad I do have the book, because I would probably need the book for many of these. Stitched Doll. Swarm of Light. Talking Skull. The Reaper. I love the colors in that. There's the frog. Or the toad. Sorry, he's the toad. But I like that Patronuses are the spirit animals all around him. Vampire. Werewolf. Oh, these are cute. Wisp of the Willow. I think that's what that says. Oh, Willow the Wisp. Sorry, I got it backwards. Witch Maiden. Witch Matron. Witch Crone. Kind of wish they did that with the sorcerer. Unless they have, no, they don't. It's a zombie. Would have been nice to see the 3, and we see a lot of the 3 aspects, the triple aspects of the divine, like the moon, but there is a triple aspect of the male. Would have been nice to see in here too. So the cards, it's again the thicker card. So if you have bigger hands, you may struggle to shuffle this deck. However, again, that is kind of an oracle card piece. This is a standard oracle card size. So just be aware of that. And it's just about working with what working with the cards themselves. But I know that I have friends who do have arthritis. It may be shuffling in a different way. And then we have the companion card or companion book written by Tricia Sullivan. I like the fact it is colored. Gives some spreads. And then it does have some aspect on each, right? Because some of them might be a little bit harder to get. We've got key points and then some information about the card. Honestly, I think it's going to be the key points on some of these because you may not understand why it's there. Like this one. The Onroyo, I'm saying it wrong. But grudge, pain, release. And some of it you can get from the actual card itself. I am so excited about these decks. I do love the illustration. I love the fact that it is so many different people working together. A little bit about the creative process. And getting their passions, sharing their passions with people. That's why I love Kickstarter. I can get some of these decks that are a little bit lesser known. So there's their team. 4 people created these 2 decks. Amazing. Like always, I will link the whether it's their website or how you can get a hold of them if you are interested in this deck or the 78 Halloween. I will be using them. I'm like probably closer to Halloween than right now. However, I may have spooky streams or kind of having a spooky read here or there throughout. But yes, I will have them definitely near the Halloween time. That spooky time of year that will catch up very, very quickly. I want to thank everybody for joining me today, and I hope that you did enjoy this very unique Oracle deck that the artwork is just off the rails. So amazing. If you did like this session, guys, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell. You know the drill. You don't want to miss anything. And guys, let me know what card really spoke to you, whether it was really, really creepy or really, really cool. Also, if you're looking for an added layer of support, I do have a Ko-fi and Patreon page. I've provided links below so you can go check it out. Again, I want to thank you for, well, your patience in waiting for this amazing deck to come in and then checking out this gorgeous Oracle deck. Until tomorrow, my friends.